Hi guys, so this is my new apartment in Rosarito, Mexico. With I just finished setting up everything, and thanks to God I have everything, mashallah. All my stuff is here. Sandwich maker, microwave, pharmacy, and of course more things will come. My lunchbox, a little bit extra storage area here in the kitchen, counter, and then we have the sofa and the new blinds I got. TV. And this is like an extra set of fridge, microwave, and stove, electric stove. And then we have the restroom. Shower area, nothing special. And this is my room, my bed, blinds that are kind of hard to get installed here, and my desk, my backpacks, my, undershirts and undergarments. They even have a travel suitcase area here. And this is my closet. I'm still, moving in, so this is not done, but it's a full-size closet. And let's close this. And let's open this. This is the laundry and dryer area. Has a connection right here for laundry. And this is the boiler for hot water. And as you can see right now, I'm just using it as a storage area, but I'm gonna be putting a laundry and dryer here. And let me show you the outside. So we got a nice door for security. And more security. And this is my whole patio, but right now I just have this and this. Put some solar lights. This is my patio. And there is the Rosarito beach. That's the Rosarito beach.